Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on stake future while talking about the stake cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like stake in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig extremely profound into the stake value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that stake sort of is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will stake succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will stake value rise or drop, we should rapidly explicitly toss a look at what stake is and its to-date history. Stake price prediction for the next 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin certainly has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the essentially second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin in every practical sense, necessitates to especially find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable of the new cost range, altcoins will by and large begin to do likewise. We especially have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other a lot greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical especially potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. Stake price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will especially endure basically for the main quarter of 2022 proceeding. We in every practical sense see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September -17.02% $2.73. 2022 October -25.83% $2.44, or so they thought. 2022 November -21.86% $2.57. 2022 December -22.82% $2.54. 2023 Jan -17.09% $2.73. 2023 February -7.64% $3.04. 2023 Mar -7.28% $3.05. 2023 April +1.56% $3.35 in a significant manner. 2023 May +2.60% $3.38. 2023 June +5.31% $3.47. 2023 July +11.42% $3.67. 2023 August +17.60% $3.87. Stake price prediction 2025 to 2030, 2040. Our forecast model sees stake arriving at new highs in 2025, $7.99 stake cost in 2030 and 2040 ought to be 2 or 3 significant degrees higher than our 2025 expectation. What will stake be worth in 5 years? The cost of stake in 5 years could lie around $0. What stake will be worth in 2030? Our determining model sees stake coming to $0 in 2030. What stake will be worth in 2040 in an unpretentious manner? Our Guajing model sees stake coming to $0 in 2040. Will stake supplant, especially outperform, in a real sense overwhelm Bitcoin? No, stake won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Can stake reach $100 in a significant manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for stake to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. How pretty high will stake go? Our estimating model sees stake cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in the separated future. Is stake commonly worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for stake. It most certainly merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave procedure. Stake is certainly not a decent long haul in every practical sense. Hold. Is stake a wise speculation? Stake is definitely not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Which is genuinely huge. Indeed, it sort of countenances a wild rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't actually have a real local area, not including examiners and promotion pursuing group, and the group behind the undertaking is doubtful. Will stake make you a mogul? No, stake might not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. What amount will stake be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $2.04, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will most in every practical sense, possible drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will stake succeed and become more expensive? Stake has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no exceptional offer, it generally has a frail group and little local area behind it, which is very critical. All of this summarized forestalls stake to succeed and ascend in cost for the especially long haul without a doubt. What basically is the genuinely momentary expectation for stake? Stake will reach $2.04 in the following 90 days, which sort of is a 38.2% change over the ongoing cost which drifts around $3.29. Stake price prediction today. What will be the cost of stake tomorrow? Stake will sort of float around $3.29 tomorrow, which is very huge. When to sell and leave stake? That relies upon your exchanging profile. On the off chance that you have faith in stake and think it has a brilliant future, holding the coin for basically several years for the most part is really smart. Taking benefits on wise speculations is an even kind of better thought. So on the off chance that you are perched on 100 to